Here, we use the LCD to display the instructions. Then, the speaker here is used to sound tones. After that, the LED is used as an indicator to our study time. The yellow LED will light up when there are still 10 minutes left before the study time begins. The green LED will light up when the study time is begun. Finally, the red LED lights up when the study time is over. We also have a button here. This button is used to display the current day. Finally, the switch is used to turn on and turn off the prototype. Here we used two libraries, which is one for the LCD and another one to the RTC, real-time clock. These libraries are used for control the LCD, time, date and day. Then, these are the variables that we have used to simplify our code. The constant variables are used for determine the modules and mechanical part of our prototype, such as LED speaker button and switch. After that, we set up the pins that connected to the mechanical parts using void setup function. In the void loop function, first we determine the variables to be used for the further coding. This coding refers to the function of the button attached in our prototype. This code will show the current day if we press the button. Next, this code control the switch of the prototype, where it is used for turn on and off the prototype. Following are the main code of our project, which implement the use of our prototype. They are divided to 5 segments, and each of the segment are divided to do 5 instructions. The first segment is the reminder to study. This instructions work when the time on the RTC module same to the time input in the code. This 5 codes are similar as the first one. Just the differences are the day and the subjects to study. This is the code of the second segment. This code tells us the time for study has begun. These 5 parts of code is in the second segment. As the first segment, the differences is just the day and time. For the third segment of code, tells us the study time is ended, and will remind us for the next subject of the day. These are the codes in third segment. The fourth segment of the code is used for tells us that the time for the second subject has begun. And these are the codes in the fourth segment. For the last segment is for tells us the study time is ended. Following are the codes on the last segment. The differences in those 5 segments is just the time, day, and the subject. The final one is the coding for identify the current time. We took this code simply from the RTC library we used. For the IoT, we use this coding to send any reminder or note from the phone to our Arduino. The text sent will be displayed on the LCD.